Hey Eagles, today we're going to talk about pasta in a pot.
Before you do anything, make sure to wash your hands.
The ingredients are pasta,
Pasta sauce,
bunch of cheese, especially ricotta.
and then some meat if you want some.
If you want to put meat in it, make sure to put it on a stove with a large pan.
Then throw some meat on it and cook it up.
Mix it up until it's all cooked.
Now for the pasta. First you want to heat up a pot half full of water.
When the water starts to boil, make sure to put in the pasta.
And then mix it up for 5 minutes.
After 5 minutes, make sure to take it over to the sink and pour it in a strainer.
Now pour red sauce into the pan. It's okay if it's not even because
You're going to shake the pan to even the sauce.
afterwards throw the pasta back in the pot and then spread it evenly across the sauce.
If you cook the meat, now's the best time to throw it on.
Now put clumps of ricotta cheese and cheddar cheese in it.
Now you put on the second layer of pasta sauce and make sure to make it even because you can't shake it up this time.
Then apply a second layer of noodles.
Now put on more meat and ricotta cheese and a cheese of your choice.
Now add a final layer of sauce. It doesn't have to be even.
Now preheat the oven to 350 degrees.
When the oven's preheated, put the pasta in the pot for 30 minutes.
When there's 5 minutes left, take the pasta in the pot out.
Now throw your last and final layer of cheese on.
Now throw it back into the oven.
When the timer's done, take it out and enjoy.
This is some good stuff. Thanks for watching, Eagles. Now back to the newsroom.